Hello everyone, welcome you all. I am Shanbagavalli from Bharati Dasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Are you ready? Yes. Now we are going to see the chapter, that is JEE Main Mathematics. Chapter is Quadratic Equations. Yes. Now we are going to see the first problem. What is the problem number 1? What is the sum of the roots of the equation is x square plus modulus of 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now we want to find the roots of this equation as well as what is the sum of the root of the equation. Yes. Now we are going to see the solution. In this problem, before going to find the solution, we should analyze two cases. What are the cases? Means here modulus of 2x minus 3 is given. So 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0 means what is the value of modulus. Then 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 0 means what is the value of this modulus. Now case 1, two x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0 means in this case x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Then what will be the modulus value? Modulus of 2x minus 3 is nothing but simply 2x minus 3. Therefore, the given equation will become x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. This is nothing but x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. Then how to find the value for this one? So which is nothing but x plus 1d whole square, which is x square plus 2x plus 1. So here x square plus 2x is only here. Therefore you have to equate these two values, subtract 1. So that is nothing but minus 8 equal to 0. That is x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 8. So what is your x plus 1 value? X plus 1 value is nothing but plus or minus 2 root 2. Taking square root on both sides, this is nothing but plus or minus 2 root 2. So what is the value of x here? X equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. Here there are two values, but our case 1 is x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, you have to take only the value minus 1 plus 2 root 2. In this case, we are taking the value x as minus 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay. Next, we are going to see the case 2. What is our case 2? Case 1 is 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Case 2 is 2x minus 3 less than 0. What will be the answer? X is nothing but less than 3 by 2. In this case, modulus of 2x minus 3 will become minus of 2x minus 3. Therefore, our equation will become x square minus of 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. So, which is equal to what? X square minus 2x minus into minus plus 3 minus 4. So, minus 1 equal to 0. This can be written as x minus 1 the whole square. This is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 1. Therefore, we have to tally these two values, add, subtract one value, that is minus 2 equal to 0, which is nothing but x minus 1 the whole square equal to 2. So what is your x minus 1? That is nothing but plus or minus root 2. So what is your x value? X is plus 1 plus or minus root 2. So case 2 is x is less than 3 by 2. Therefore you have to take value of x is 1 minus root 2. 1 minus root 2. Now we want to find the sum of the roots of the equation. One root is minus 1 plus 2 root 2. Another one is 1 minus root 2. Sum of the roots is nothing but sum of the roots is equal to, first one is minus 1 plus 2 root 2, second one plus 1 minus root 2, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 2 root 2 minus root 2 which is nothing but root 2. So, sum of the roots of the given equation is root 2. Second one, now we are going to the second problem. Find the number of distinct real roots of the equation is x plus 3 the whole to the power of 4 plus x plus 5 the whole to the power of 4 equal to 16. How to find the solution for this one? As usual, we are going to expand this one, means we have to find the solution. Okay, it is difficult to find the solution, so that we have to use the technique. What is the technique means? We have to use the substitution. Now listen. The given equation is of the form x minus a power 4 plus x minus b the whole to the power of 4 equal to a, means we have to use the substitution. What is the substitution means? Put t equal to x minus of a plus b by 2. Here our equation is of the form x minus a power 4 plus x minus b power 4 equal to a. Instead of a, here minus 3. Instead of b, here minus 5. Therefore, we have to use the substitution t equal to x minus of a value is minus 3, because this can be written as x minus of minus 3. This can be written as x minus of minus 5. So, a value is minus 3, b value is minus 5. So, minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8 divided by 2, which is nothing but minus 4, which is equal to x plus 4. So, t value is x plus 4. From that you have to write what is your x value. So, x is nothing but t minus 4. So, using this one in the given equation, the given equation will become x plus 3 power 4. Instead of x, you have to substitute t minus 4. What will happen? T minus 1 the whole to the power of 4 plus, instead of x, you have to substitute t minus 4. So, t minus 4 plus 5, which is nothing but what? T plus 1 the whole to the power of 4 equal to 16. Now, it is easy to find the solution. This is nothing but t minus 1 the whole square whole to the power of 2. In a similar manner, this is nothing but t plus 1 the whole square whole to the power of 2. So, t minus 1 the whole square whole to the power of 2 plus t plus 1 the whole square whole to the power of 2 equal to 16. Now, you have to expand this one. A plus b the whole square formula and a minus b the whole square formula. That is nothing but t square minus 2t plus 1 the whole square plus t square plus 2t plus 1 the whole square equal to 16. Now, this is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now, we are going to use this formula here, that is t power 4 plus 4t square plus 1 multiplication of these two value into 2 minus 4t cube, then multiplication of these two value, so minus 4t, then multiplication of these two value 2t square plus 2t square plus, in a similar manner, t power 4 plus 4t square plus 1, then same thing 2ab, 2bc, 2ca, that is 4t cube, then multiplication of these two value plus 4t, then multiplication of these two value 2t square, that is 2ab means you have to multiply it by 2 also, which is equal to 16. Now, listen, here minus 4t cube, here plus 4t cube get cancelled. Minus 4t plus 4t get cancelled. Then t power 4 plus t power 4, that is 2t power 4. Then here plus 4t square plus 2t square, 6t square. Here also plus 4t square plus 2t square. So totally 12t square. 12t square. Then this is plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This 16 will come here, means plus 2 minus 16. So minus 14 equal to 0. Now this is nothing but a quadratic equation of t square. How means you have to just divide it by 2. So what will happen? This is t power 4 plus 6t square minus 7 equal to 0. This is nothing but a quadratic equation in t square, that is t square the whole square plus 6t square minus 7 equal to 0. How to find the solution for this one? Yes, that is nothing but t square the whole square. So you have to write t square plus 6t square, no, you have to write the value plus 7 t square plus 7 t square minus 1 equal to 0, because you have to multiply these two value, means plus 7 minus 1, so plus 6t square, 1 into 7 plus into minus, minus 7. So this will be the factor, that is nothing but t square equal to minus 7, t square equal to minus 7. So t equal to plus or minus root 7 I. T value is root 7, root of minus 1 is nothing but I, you know very well. So plus or minus root 7 I, this is your t value. We want to find only a real roots of the equation. Therefore, we omit this one. Next one is t square minus 1 equal to 0, that is t square equal to 1. So t equal to plus or minus 1. So you have to substitute here. T equal to plus or minus 1 means what is your x value? So x is nothing but t minus 4. So x is nothing but what? T minus 4. Your t value is plus 1 means x value is nothing but minus 3. Suppose your t value is minus 1 means your x value is minus 5. So these two are the real roots of the given equation, because we don't take the value t square equal to minus 7, which is imaginary. We have to find only the real roots of the equation. These two are the real roots of the equation. I hope you are all enjoying this video. Thank you very much.